YouTube, what is up? I am back again for another unboxing slash review. Like I always say, when you see the brown box, you already know it's an unboxing, and you should already know what the shoe is from the title of the video. But like I was talking about in my last video, I was waiting on these. These just came today, about a day early. So let's get into it. Let's see. So I did order these off of Theory Skate and Snow, and they gave me like a yellow, looks like an order slip here. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for these here. Oh my God, look at my box. Look at that. Like, this is why we do these unboxings, because this is the type of stuff that we're here for, here to see live in the flesh. How you know I'm not acting, bro? Look at my box, man. Look at my roof. Look at my roof, man. God damn, look like somebody just took a bite out this thing. Golly. Oh my goodness. Anyways, other than that, hopefully the shoes are all right, most likely, but damn, look at that. Eee. This is honestly one of the worst condition boxes that I've received out of all these shoes that I've ordered. God damn. That's crazy, because not even the box it came in is damaged like that. So this looks like it happened before they packed it. Golly. Anyways, let's get back into the review here. So you already know these are the Nike SB Saffron Quartz. Let's see what it says on the color here. So it's Nike SB Dunk Low Pro WC. You know, I'm actually not really sure what WC stands for on this tag here. If anybody does know what that stands for, please let me know. But for the color coding, it is Saffron Quartz. Saffron Quartz. See it there in the camera? Saffron Quartz. SB Dunk Low Pro WC. And man, I'm still kind of like blown away by the condition of this box, man. Godly. That's crazy. Anyways, it does come in your purple GR box, of course. Let's get into it. It does have your regular white and green wood grain paper. And let's take a look. Wha-bam! So this is my first time looking at these. Of course, they are my size, 10.5. Not gonna lie to you, the leather does have a nice little toque to it. Let me pull out the other one. Oh, I was gonna say, where's my SB sticker? Should have an SB sticker, but it's like stuck on the side here. SB sticker there, of course, with every pair. You get that. Put this in here. Who cares, right? The box is already thrashed. God damn. Anyways, here are the shoes. Boom. So first thoughts here. This is a full leather shoe here. And to be honest, the leather is kind of tough on these. Not tough, but it's a little stiff. Let's see, first initial thoughts. There's a lot of little details on these, which is kind of cool. Let's see. Let me get to pulling out some of these papers out. Actually, let me use this shoe. Let me see, I need to fix the tongue a bit. But that is the shoe. You see it up close. Give it a little 360 view. Boom, full leather, like I said. Before I get into some of the details here, show the other one off too. Here's that. Let me lift that up a little bit there. So you can see, get a good thumbnail. Should be a good thumbnail there. Do a little 360 before I start going over all the details on these, because there is a lot of little details on these, which, you know, I'm all for the details. Honestly, I forgot what was the other name for these. I think it was like the pepper or something like that. It was a pepper. Here, let me grab the other insole out of this one. Pull that out. This one's kind of in there. Damn it. Usually kind of quick to get these out, but this one's kind of, there it is. All right. Well, there is the two pairs. First, let me go over the insoles here, which are kind of one of my favorite details out of the shoe here. Of course, you know, it does have the flaming lips, whatever the hell that is, flaming mouth insoles there with the memory foam air zoom unit there. There's no details hidden on the back of there. But taking a look at the shoe, as I did mention before, these are full leather. It would have been probably better if they were suede, don't you think? Take a look at that. Let's see, so it does have like this light lime green on the front toe. And it has like a tan in the middle there. And then it's kind of broken apart by that yellow swoosh. Yellow leather. This is all leather. All yellow leather back here too as well on the heel tab. And on both shoes it does have that unique Nike, kind of like flaming Nike embroidered on the back there. It is embroidered in kind of like a bronzish color tag there. So it does come included with these tannish, you know, same color as the mid panel there. Those laces are already laced in there. And it does have an included yellow lace, which I'm gonna probably test out, see how it looks. The tan laces do have yellow aglets on the tips. Let's see what these are. What aglets? Okay, so the yellow laces come with like a, I guess you could say that's like black. Try to get a good picture there, or good. Can't get it in there. Here, let me just do this. You can see the aglet there. So that on the tongue tag, it does have that tan tongue tag with the black embroidered Nike SB. And it actually looks like it has like a, I don't know if that's like a pepper. I'll try to get that in there. Kind of looks like a pepper, like kind of pepper around the SB, because I did notice on the back, on the back of the tag here, it does have like a, you see that there? Oh, it's like a pepper slice with the seeds on there, which is a little unique there. And the let's see, the manufacturing date codes is March 11, 2026 through 4/20/2026. So from March 11 through 4/20, so about a good month run. This does have kind of like a little bit on the slim side of the tongue there, thickness. And it does have that same tan midsole, kind of similar to that middle panel here. And on the bottom of the sole, it has like a, like a black speckled sole there. It's like speckled with that same green and yellow that's on the shoe. Kind of makes it look crazy, don't it? Yeah, that speckled sole there, and it does have the yellow Phylon padding there, or foam there, whatever you call it. But yeah, honestly, it's not that bad. I did mention these on one of my last videos. Excuse me. But I did mention on my last videos on these. I did pick these up, like I said earlier, from Theory. And honestly, there hasn't really been any other shops that I've seen these really hitting like that. I think I did see, I think CCS just did a raffle on these. I'm not sure if everyone that entered that raffle, or actually it might have been a different raffle, but CCS did do a raffle on these. I'm not sure if the people that were entered in that raffle received theirs yet. Probably, I wouldn't doubt it, honestly. But I have been seeing these kind of trickling out. They've been trickling out, and I've been seeing people posting them up on the groups, Facebook groups and stuff. It's kind of like where I get a lot of my links, and you know, that's how I got these. One of the members in the groups posted up a link, and I just snagged it. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna snag these now and do a review. Haven't really seen too many other reviews so far, or really of any. I've just kind of seen like the stock photos, stock, you know, pictures of shops that are about to sell them and stuff, but not really any reviews just yet on these. But my thoughts, I mean, it's kind of I guess you could say it is a little bit better in hand, like a lot of people say. You know, I'm gonna try to figure out what I could wear with this. It's kind of unique, but you know, it's all right. You know what I'm saying? You know, not that bad. I think it's cool. No difference in between the pairs. They're all both the same. I do like the back. I like that back Nike embroidered, like Nike text there on the back. That's kind of cool. That's one of the details I did like, which is kind of cool. I like I didn't know that this was back here, like that pepper that I was talking about. Kind of looks like a jalapeno slice there with the little seeds hanging off of it. It's kind of hard to see, honestly. It's better to see in person. But leather shoes do have a nice little smell to it, not gonna lie. But what are you guys thinking on this pair? Did you guys swoop this pair up? Are you gonna swoop this pair? I mean, I know a lot of people are probably gonna pass on these, because I did see a lot of people saying that they're passing on these and it's not their cup of tea. I mean, I could kind of get that. Green, tan, and yellow is kind of a odd mix, but I mean, it's unique, you know. Give me something to figure out, try to put together with this. I mean, other than that, it's pretty cool. I mean, throw the insole back in it. I do like those insoles though. Those insoles are pretty sweet. That little flame in mouth on there. Maybe it means hot breath. Dragon breath? No, just kidding. But yeah, what do you guys think on this pair? You do see it says Nike SB right there on the bottom lip. But yeah, this is the Saffron Quartz. So please let me know what you think on this pair. This is one of those kind of, a lot of people have been saying that this year it's been kind of drab as far as the drops. You know, I can kind of see it. We just had the Beyond Highs drop, and honestly, I've been seeing those sitting at a lot of shops still. Currently, they're still sitting in a lot of pretty much full-size runs. And I don't know, I'm not really feeling those at all, honestly. Like, as much as I tried to contemplate if I should get those, I just wasn't feeling the high. The patent leather on the bag is just kind of boring of a shoe, even though this is probably like, people would prefer those over these, maybe not, I don't know. What do you guys think though in this pair, the Saffron Quartz? You know, I jumped on it because, you know, it's a dunk low, that's my thing. That's what I try to cover, all the dunk lows. I'm honestly not sure what is gonna be the next drop after these. We kind of got like a large drop as far as like, we got the green watermelons, we got the Beyond highs, and then we got these like all pretty much at the same time. So hopefully we got some more drops coming soon, because, you know, I'm hoping, you know, for the fall season, holiday season, they bring out some heat. I know they are dropping those pine green patent leather things, blacks, or the spruce somethings like that. I forgot what they're called. They're kind of, I might pass on those, honestly. I'm not a big patent leather fan. But anyways, you know, throw it down in the comments what you guys think on this pair. Did you guys try to pick these up? Are you gonna pick these up? You know, let me know. Again, I appreciate those that have been subscribing. You know, I just hit my 500 subs just recently. You know, I thank all of those that helped me get there. But, you know, let's cut this video short before it gets longer and longer and longer, and it takes longer for me to edit and upload. So yeah, just throw your comments down, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, you know, share, all that good stuff. But with that being said, I will see you guys on the next video. Hopefully it's soon, not long, you know, do all that good stuff. But I will see you guys on the next video, and peace out.